5 short, scary facts about the Dunkleosteus, a fearsome prehistoric fish. 1. Armored predator. Its head and front body were covered with thick, bony plates, making it nearly impervious to attacks. 2. Bone-crushing bite. It could exert 8,000 pounds of force per bite, tearing through armor and bones with ease. 3. Toothless terror. Instead of teeth, it had sharp-edged bony plates that functioned like shearing blades. 4. Cannibalistic behavior. Fossil evidence suggests it may have preyed on other Dunkleosteus, indicating cannibalism. 5. Fast strike. It could open and close its jaw in just 1/50th of a second, allowing it to ambush prey with lightning speed. The Dunkleosteus was one of the most terrifying predators of the Devonian seas, capable of dominating anything in its path.